So guys, 2018 Honda Accord 1.5 liter engine turbo, 4-year-old vehicle. This vehicle customer complains when we drive on the bump road, it make a noise on the passenger front side. As you can see, 4-year-old vehicle, 2018 Honda Accord 1.5 turbo liter engine. The vehicle owner told me he changed the aftermarket rim, as you can see in the video right here, and he told me he changed the new brake roller, new brake pads, and he told me he changed the new arm control. Seems to be DIY. In this video I will show you guys on Automotive. Is something you not sure should not try to be DIY, because some people try to save a little bit of money, and after that they try to create a big problem, big more money to spend on the vehicle until they see the mechanic. Okay, he told me he changed the new brake roller, new brake pad, and also he changed the new lower arm control, and he told me he did not change the shock yet. But right now the vehicle got a problem on the bump road and making very loud noise, and I test drive and go back here. As you can see on the vehicle what the problem with this, as you can see right here. Everybody knows that's we call the outer tie rod, right? But I don't know DIY what the DIY people thinking about right now. As you can see, this nut for the tie rod, this one I put it in, not from him. From him, he put this one. It seems to be bigger and no thread at all. He just put it in, and he put the pin to lock the nut in there, and the tie rod play around. And right now I found it's not right nuts here, guys, and then I try to find the right nut to tighten it in. But the problem is now we have to replace the outer tie rod. Why? Because it's making noise on the road and heating in here. The tie rod already played. No way to keep it anymore. Let me turn off the camera and put on the camera holder, cameraman, and I will tell you guys what's going on here. Okay, after I change the outer tie rod nut, it's tight, very nice tightened right now, guys. This nut is mine, not from him. But you can see I check for the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, it's no flame at all. But from 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock it's still a little flame. Hope you guys hear in the video. Yeah, what that means this tie rod is making noise on the road, play for a while, and then now the tie rod is gone. Okay, and let me remove the nut, and I will push the owner nut on and see how you fall down from the chair on this. Okay guys, this nut I put it in, the right nut, okay? And don't fall down from your chair, okay? This vehicle owner or someone try to be DIY, you see on the tie rod, and they put this nut in. Let me try to Oh man, yeah, as you can see, this nut they put in just like that. Yep. And then they put the pin in that locks it. Okay, again, on this video I should tell you guys, you try to save the money on automotive to replace some parts, something, whatever you want to do. If you're not sure, should not try to do it. I have never seen what the people thinking and do like this. See, even the hole is too big, as you can see in the video. You see, this one the right thread for the tie rock, but the owner, or I don't know, family member or friend, something like that, put this in. Okay, so sorry guys. Okay, that's it guys. In this video I will show you guys you can be DIY to do on something, try to save money. But if something you're not sure or you don't know, just ask friend or ask your family member, or you can ask someone, or you Google or a YouTube video, and you might do the right job for you guys to save money. Should not do on something like this guys, should not. Okay, and you created the problem, and it will cost you more money. That's it guys, thanks for watching, see you guys next time, bye bye.